Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from Prenation Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, you can see that there are loads of people who has joined this EILP process, and this process is going on across pan-India basis. So this process named EILP, the full form is Employee Internship Learning Program. So there are several resources who are taking the training or internship from under the umbrella of PCS Global. So today I came up with a resource of PCS Global, and his name is Devanand. So hi Devanand, this is Devamitra from PCS Global.
Okay. Hi, ma'am.
Oh, hello. So Devanand, can you tell me about yourself, or can you introduce yourself?
Okay. So personally, I talk. I'm a graduate from B Mechanical. After that, I take a decision to get a career in IT industry, and in that scenario, I familiar with PCS Global
Mm-hmm.
in last 15 days, and I have joined our EILP program.
Mm-hmm.
So this program is very beneficial for me and my career because there is several live classes with very talented or that means useful resources uh, have in that organization. So I happy to join with PCS Global and that program.
Okay. So Devanand, tell me one thing. When you have joined this EILP process, so
Okay.
you have spent 12 to 15 days, you have said, right?
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
how many classes you have got in this time span?
Uh, 10, I think 10 classes I have got.
Okay, within 15 days, you've got 10 classes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, fair enough. So tell me one thing about the quality of classes. Is that classes are helpful? Do you think that
Yes,
whatever
yes.
they're
Very
teaching?
helpful and very knowledgeable also.
Okay.
And easy to understand. That means
Hmm.
very
Okay.
understandable classes.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
Devanand, tell me one thing that our tech mentors for providing you the classes. So, are they interact with you at the time if you feel any problem or if you have
Yes,
any?
also. Yeah.
Okay.
Mentors are very interactive
Okay.
in any situation. That means uh, when I have any query, then he or she will uh, resolve that.
So, is it one-to-one interaction?
Yes, yes,
Okay. That means our tech mentors are very supportive. They are providing you the proper
yes,
support. Okay. So, what we have said at the time of interview that you will get the official documents like offer letter, joining letter, and all of those things. Have you got that?
yes, yes.
Okay, you got
I
it.
have got offer letter or so joining letter.
Can you tell me about your pass out year? In which year you have passed out?
Yes, I am pass out in 2022,
You have passed out in 2022.
22, August 22.
Okay. So from 22 to 23, have you tried for any other company to get any job?
Yes, yes, yes. I have done internship in Sarvaneji ITC Private Limited, where I work on a PHP framework, that is coordinator, uh, on a DMS project.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I have a lot of knowledge in that organization.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you have worked in another company as an intern. So why you have
Yes,
joined
yes.
this EILP process? What is the motive of joining this EILP?
Okay. That means the motive of that process or program is very beneficial or interesting. That means a fresher can join. That means in current situation, no any job for fresher right now. So our program is very interesting for freshers rather than experience.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I'm joining that program.
Okay. So you wanted to say that this EILP process is very helpful for the freshers who wanted to remove the fresher tag from their profile, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes. So after joining this process, Evan, tell me one thing. Do you
Okay.
before joining this process or after joining this process, what is the difference? Because you have already done an internship in another
Yes,
company. So what is
yes.
the difference between these two processes?
Difference is first work culture. That
Mm-hmm.
means a very supportive work culture for as a fresher or employee.
Mm-hmm.
PCS Global is very supportive for fresher.
Mm-hmm.
Also, knowledge sharing is also that means very beneficial for fresher. That means any senior or I want to say that means any mentor will share his knowledge to
Mm-hmm.
all of us, and
Okay.
that's why
Okay.
knowledge gain
So
will
PCS
happen.
Global is different from other companies. Like we are doing what we are doing. That there is the hierarchy, is a
Yes, yes,
flat hierarchy, and everyone is
yes.
very supportive, right?
Before that, I have worked in Sur Energy TC. I told
Mm-hmm.
that in that organization, he or she assign me any work or do on myself. No anyone can help me in that work.
Mm-hmm.
And in a PCS Global scenario, here is a lot of people or mentors will help on that work or assignment.
True. That means PCS Global always try to develop the candidate who has that potential to work. You have
Yes, yes,
already
yes,
you have taken training in you have done internship in another companies, but what PCS Global is doing, PCS Global is trying to build you from zero. So that is
yes.
the USP of PCS Global. So tell me one thing, Devanand, what you wanted to say to the candidates who have just ideally seated their home and right now they're thinking either they need to join PCS Global or not, if this EILP process is helpful or not. Because there are loads of
Yes.
people who have attended the interviews also, but they didn't get the faith upon us. So what will be
Okay.
your suggestion for them?
Definitely my suggestion is have a offer letter or join today or at right time. That means in current situation, PCS Global is one that help for fresher only. No any organization will able to help freshers. I want to say.
So guys, as per Devanand, as per Devamitra, the one thing we wanted to say that is this is the high time to start your career. So if you
Yes, yes,
think that you can crack it by yourself, then we want to say that you are just wasting your time because you have already gone through my fireside chat videos and you have seen there are loads of people who have tried by themselves and at last what they got, they didn't get anything. They just bounced back and came back to PCS Global. So if you are a candidate right now, also you are thinking about what we need to do, either we are going to join or not. So as the candidate of EILP, as the brand ambassador of PCS Global, we are requesting you to join this process to make or to build only your career, not mine. Okay. So it's your duty to join and to get the best from our side. So this is for now. This is from Devmitra's side. So thank you, Devanand, for giving your valuable
yes.
time. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye
Thank
for
you.
now and have a great career ahead. Okay. So I
Okay.
will connect you with
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Most welcome. So
Yeah.
bye.
Okay.